Cold weather is part of how all the brothers and sisters of Zamunda come together to overcome adversity, form lifelong bonds that you can only get right here at HBCU.
I've never met one person you went to college with.
Boy, shut up. Now, brace yourself for Black Utopia. Look at him, protesting the men.
Actually, kind of looks like they're protesting against each other.
No, they just arguing over who hates the men more. Let's get out here before the police come.
Hey guys. How'd it go?
Fine. I'm pretty tired though, so I think I'm gonna call it a night.
Okay. Good night. Well, did you have fun?
Of course not.
Oh, really?
I tried to show him everything I loved about Howard. And between the black-on-black protest and the weirdo nerd culture, the entire thing ended up being an absolute disaster.
I'm sorry it didn't go as planned. But for what it's worth, Dre, you do keep remembering all the good stuff about Howard and conveniently forgetting all the challenges.
What challenges?
Like how tough it was for you to reintegrate back into society.
Howard University, huh? What do they teach there? Black math?
I guess there was one or two white men who made some ridiculous assumptions about Howard.
Do you remember all of the catching up on white culture that you had to do?
What? Hey, can you believe Dre doesn't know Elvis Costello?
Of course he knows Elvis Costello. Everyone knows Elvis Costello. Play Allison. Dre, you'll know this. Listen, wait a minute. Listen for it. Come on. You know this, right?
No, I don't think so.
Okay, go to the chorus. Everyone knows the chorus. Just listen.
No, I don't know the chorus
That's
either.
because you keep talking.
But guys, I've never heard this song before.
Yes, you have.
Come here.
Oh,
Yeah.
I love this song.
I knew it.
I can't believe they made me feel some type of way about not knowing some white mediocre artists when they don't know any of our black mediocre artists.
Dre, it wasn't just the music that made you feel out of place.
Not knowing their movies, books, TV shows. I can never get back all those hours I spent watching Everybody Loves Raymond.
You loved Everybody Loves Raymond.
Hey, this is not about me.
We are talking about how unhappy it made you that you couldn't relate to any of your coworkers. Is that really what you want for Junior?
Kinda. Damn it. I think the boy's gonna have to go to Stanford.